Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is still trading inside the range. But I'm on the hourly time frame, so we can see that we have a sideways market or choppy kind of a market. But if we move to a lower time frame like 15 minutes, we get to see a trending market, and after that, okay, market is in consolidation, and now trading view is taking time to load. So this is the 15-minute chart. You can see after this strong up move, market is in consolidation. Every time frame has a different story, and you can see today I have drawn many lines also on the chart. So let's try to understand these lines one by one so that we don't get confused. Okay, today I have also drawn a box here. Okay, so let's discuss the best trading opportunities for the day. See, as we have already discussed in a previous video, that if you are a position trader, swing trader, okay, who doesn't have much time for the market, you want to just sit on a position for a couple of days to a couple of weeks, then this is not the ideal market scenario right now. Because you need peace of mind, and you will only get peace of mind if you get a trending market. But right now we can clearly see the market is trading inside a range. So obviously you need to wait for the right moment. And for a proper trend or trend reversal, we need the backing of the fundamental factors, because technicals are important, are helpful for entry and exit. But when it comes to the trend, when it comes to the direction, we need a news, we need a fundamental factor, and right now we don't have that. If you look at the economic calendar, you can see today we have job openings data coming up. So there may be some volatility during the US session, but otherwise we do not have a big news, okay, that will completely change the direction of the market. So if you are a positional trader, you need to stay on the side right now, because this is not the ideal scenario. Okay, and if you still want to trade, then obviously, okay, it's better and safer to trade from level to level only, because it has been very difficult for us for the last few weeks and months to understand the direction of the market. And as a retail trader, it is not possible for us to predict the market. And in absence of any big fundamental factor also, okay, the only way to make money or survive in this market is to react according to the situation. Okay, so let's discuss. So as we have already discussed in a previous video also, the 2300, okay, 2300 is a psychological support round number. So obviously we can expect the market to take support around this area if market goes down. And yesterday also we saw that a market broke 2320 level and market went down a little. So the support of 2300 is still very much valid, and 2300 is strong support. So as a positional trader also, you can look for a buy, because fundamentally gold is bullish. So obviously you can go for a buy at 2300, positional trader, swing trader, day trader, and you can be on the trade. Okay, and before that, before 2300, okay, when you will see gold going below 2314, you can also take a sell below this level, because gold will have to break 2314, isn't it, this previous low, then only it will be heading towards 2300. So you can look for a sell below 2314. If you see that gold is going down with heavy selling pressure, okay, you can go for a sell below this level, and we can look for a buy if we see market taking support. I think, okay, if market breaks also 2300 around 2295, 2294 area also, market should form a hammer kind of a pattern, and market should bounce back, because these levels, okay, do not work perfectly precisely. But obviously market is very much subjective. Okay, just watch the behavior of the market. If you see price rejection around 2300, you will get a confirmation that buyers are still present, and you can hit the buy. Okay, buy button. So 2300 is a good support for swing traders, positional, or for all of us. You can look for a buy, and day traders, you can also look for a sell below 2314. Clear? And at this moment, we can see that market is struggling around 2350. Yesterday we discussed about the sell opportunity on 2352. Remember, yes, our sell opportunity did well. So yes, market is still struggling around the resistance that we discussed yesterday. Okay, so during the day, especially before the US session, okay, if we see gold is going down, you can look for a support around 2334 or 2330. Means you can look for a quick bounce of 40 pips, $4 around this area, 2334, 2330, and especially before the US session only. Why US session only? Because before US session the volume is little bit low, and because for a reversal trade we need low volume. If you see that gold is going down with big fat red candles, means selling pressure is high, reversal trades will not work. Okay, try to understand the concept here. So here we have used FIBO here because we can see market is already respecting FIBO. So we have FIBO 50% retracement around 2334, 2335. 334, 335 के आसपास we have the first support, and then we have the second support around 2330. So during the day before the US session, if you see market is taking support, market is showing price action from below, hit the buy button. You can go for a risk to reward ratio of 1:1, 40 pips. That's it. Okay, you can also see that we also have a minor support or FIBO 38.2% retracement around 2339. Right now I'm not mentioning this level, but if you see market taking support at 2339 level, then also you can go for a buy. Okay, so for a better understanding, you can just draw FIBO like this that I have drawn here. It will be easier for you to trade. Okay, so you can trust these levels only once, keep in mind. Okay, so 2339, if market bounces, hit the buy button, go for 30-40 pips. Second time when market is coming down to the same level, do not take the trade. Your next level will be 2334. Okay, means one level, one buy only. Okay, one level, one buy only. Now let's talk about the yellow box here. Okay, yellow box here because we have a big zone here, and I will say that this is your no trading zone. Why no trading zone? Because you can see multiple price rejection around this area, so it is little bit difficult to understand how the market will react. See, we are here to make money. We don't need to prove anyone by trading at each and every level. We are traders, not gamblers. Okay, only trade where do we have the proper understanding. So here we can clearly see the market has shown price rejection around multiple levels, so it is better to avoid trading in this area. What is the area here? 2354 to 2364. This is a $10 zone. 2354 to 2364. Try to avoid trading around this area because it will be little difficult to trade because I don't know, because my videos are being watched by beginners, experienced traders. If you're an experienced trader, if you can if your strategy works in this type of market situation, obviously you can work. But if you're a beginner, not sure how to trade, then try to avoid. And if we look at the overall trend, the market is a little under pressure. So if market goes up also, okay, day traders, you can look for a sell around 2370 and 2385. These are the two levels where day traders, you can look for a selling opportunity, not swing traders, because after 3-4 candles market may try to go up again. Okay, so my dear traders, okay, you can see we have FIBO 38 point we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level around this area, plus the previous support will also be acting as resistance. And along with that, you can see at 2385 we have FIBO 50% retracement level. So during the day, if market goes up also, definitely we can expect some sort of price ejection from above around this area. You can simply switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes. Once you'll see price ejection from above, you'll get the confirmation that sellers are present. Hit the sell button. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold flat as spotlight shift to US data. Gold stabilizes near 2340. Okay, so this is the market situation. Hopefully you can understand that, okay, market is not very volatile right now. So when market is not very volatile means volume is little low. Little low volume means reversal trades may work. And right now we do not have a trending market. Let's wait and watch. If any news comes out because of geopolitics, then obviously things will take a different direction. And lastly, my dear friends, finally I have decided the date of the next workshop. There have been a lot of emails, WhatsApp messages that, okay, Avilash, please tell us the date, please tell us the date. As I was traveling, I was unable to decide. And as you guys already know that I do not conduct courses regularly. I teach 3 to 4 times a year mostly. That's it. Okay, so yes, the day you just go to the website, you'll find a link in the description, and all the information is available on the website, and the next date for the workshop are 28, 29, 30 for English classes, and for Hindi classes 21st, 22nd, 23rd of June. Okay, timing is mentioned here. You can join now also. Okay, till the workshop date, okay, you'll be receiving free updates analysis on the WhatsApp group. Okay, so feel free to check out all the details. Okay, later on I'll be discussing about this. Already the video has become very long. I do not want to drag it further. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.